Hi everyone, welcome to Pharmatech Venkat YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell about as per the latest enforcement report by US FDA 15/11/2020, there are 4 companies recalling their product in the US market. One is Marksans Pharma, and second one is Aurobindo Pharma, and third one is Zydus Cadila, and fourth one is Jubilant Pharma. The first, Marksans Pharma, is recalling their product due to the deviation of the CGMP. This product was manufactured at Goa unit. Why? Because there are 6 lakh bottles of metformin ER tablets, 500 and 750 mg. Because the above actual intake of N-nitrosodimethylamine impurity, they found excessive. So that's why FDA analyst they found that they immediately informed to the Marksans Pharma, and they're recalling their 6 lakh bottles. What is the impact of the NDMA? NDMA may probable human carcinogen. So recently there are so many companies are recalling their products due to this N-nitrosodimethylamine impurity. It comes under the class 2 recall. And second one is Aurobindo Pharma. Aurobindo Pharma also recalling 7,440 bottles of ibuprofen. It mostly used for pain relieving and ibuprofen oral suspension for labeling error. There is a labeling error found in that, so that's why they are recalling their product. It comes under the class 3. And third one, Zydus Cadila Pharma. Zydus Cadila is also recalling 14,748 cartons of lansoprazole orally disintegrated tablets. Why? Because the dissolution specification level was not within the specification limit. So it was manufactured at Ahmedabad unit, so it comes under the class 2 recall. And fourth one, Jubilant Pharma. Jubilant Pharma also 23,616 blister packs of olanzapine orally disintegrated tablets recalled. Why? Because the product is subpotent. Subpotent means there is a less potent. It is 100% it is not effective. So it comes under the class 3. So while comparing with four of the recalls, there is a 2 class 2 recalls and 2 class 3 recalls. Class 2 recall means there may be a chance of high adverse drug reactions. It may highly impacting the consumer. Those who are consuming this tablet, they may highly impacted. And class 3 means there is not likely to cause any adverse drug reactions. When compared to the class 2, class 3, there is no any chance of any adverse reactions or any other thing. Thank you for watching.